Hello, welcome to my YouTube and Facebook channel. Today I'm going to teach you about how to solve multiple choice questions of binomial and hypergeometric probability distributions. For a given binomial probability distribution with a fixed n, if p is less than 0.6, then the options are the binomial distribution will be skewed to the left. The binomial distribution will be skewed to the right. The binomial distribution will be symmetric. None of these. The right option is the binomial distribution will be skewed to the left because of probability of success p is greater than 0.5. Repeated independent trials in which there are only blank possible outcomes and probabilities of outcomes remain the same for all trials are called Bernoulli trials. The options are 2, 1, 4, 3. The right option is 2, because Bernoulli trial has only 2 possible outcomes. The mean of a binomial distribution depends on the options are probability of success, probability of failure, number of trials. Both A and C means both probability of success and number of trials. The right option is both A and C, because mean of a binomial distribution is equal to NP. The standard deviation of a binomial distribution depends on the options are probability of success, probability of failure, number of trials. Both A and C means both probability of success and number of trials. The right option is both A and C, because the standard deviation of a binomial distribution depends on the number of trials, n, and the probability of success, p, as well as the probability of failure, q, which is directly related to p. Which of the following can never be described by a binomial distribution? The number of defective items produced by an assembly process, the amount of water used by a single household, the number of students in the class who can answer this question. All of these can always be described by a binomial distribution. The right option is the amount of water used by a single household, because it is a continuous random variable, while binomial probability distribution is the discrete probability distribution based on discrete random variable. The parameters of the binomial distribution are x and n, x and p, n and p, x, n and p. The right option is n and p, because the notation bx NP means the binomial distribution of a random variable x parameterized by n number of trials and p probability of success. Which of the following is true for the binomial distribution? The options are mean is greater than variance, mean is less than variance, mean is equal to variance, mean is equal to standard deviation. The correct option is mean is greater than variance. This is because the mean of a binomial distribution is NP, and the variance is NPQ, which is always less than NP since PQ is less than 1. Therefore, mean is greater than variance. The mean, median, and mode of the binomial distribution will be equal when probability of success, p is equal to 0.5, probability of success, p is less than 0.5, probability of success, p is greater than 0.5. None of these. The correct option is probability of success, p is equal to 0.5, because binomial probability distribution is symmetric when probability of success p is equal to 0.5. The parameters of the hypergeometric distribution are, the options are x capital N and k capital N, small n and k, x small n and k, x capital N, small n and k. The correct option is capital N, small n and k. A binomial random variable is, the options are continuous random variable, discrete random variable, independent variable, dependent variable. The correct option is discrete random variable. A hypergeometric random variable is, the options are independent variable, continuous random variable, discrete random variable. None of these. The correct option is discrete random variable, in which distribution the probability of success remain constant from trial to trial. The options are hypergeometric distribution, binomial distribution, sampling distribution, continuous distribution. The correct option is binomial distribution, in which distribution the probability of success changes from trial to trial. The options are hypergeometric distribution, binomial distribution, sampling distribution, continuous distribution. The correct option is hypergeometric distribution, in which distribution the successive trials are with replacement. The options are hypergeometric distribution, binomial distribution, continuous distribution. None of these. The correct option is binomial distribution, in which distribution the successive trials are without replacement. The options are hypergeometric distribution, binomial distribution, continuous distribution. None of these. The correct option is hypergeometric distribution. Both binomial and hypergeometric distributions are. The options are continuous probability distributions, discrete probability distributions, neither continuous nor discrete probability distributions, bivariate distributions. The correct option is discrete probability distributions.